Welcome to Daglum.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Health 101. Magpaka-healthy tayo.
Health 101 sa KM5 na Trinidad, Benguet.
So, eto nga yung mga menu nila. Check nyo na lang. Check it out, check it out.
Yan.
Okay na.
Reverse.
Okay.
Okay. Then may mga coffee din. Oo. Hello, vlog. Say hello, vlog. Hello, pero hindi nakatingin. Coffee, cafe latte, guayabana shake, banana milkshake, and mango yogurt. Taste it. Chicken mushroom. Sige po.
Hindi siya
Grilled salmon. Brown rice din sila. Sa diet ko.
101 na. Ay, 101 yun.
Kitty's Pack. Happy Kid. And this is chicken mushroom.
Sa'yo yan?
Yeah. Beef mushroom. That's it? That's it. Time check. It's 7 p.m. Wait lang. Hindi natin mahawakan ng watch.
Let's go! Ay, nakalimutan ko umihi.
Ayan, 6:59.
Nakalimutan ko umihi.
Naghahanap siya. Naghahanap ng kayamanan.
Ano na, hindi ko naririnig pinagsasabi mo dyan.
Okay, it's 6:59 and we're going home. We're done eating there at Health 101. Ayaw mag-focus. Health 101 restaurant.
Hindi yata napindot. Sayang.
St. Salvador of in every age it seems a person blessed with evil power in not power. Such was the case in St. Salvador. All 4 days of Peon and Queens. Born in Spain, he entered the Franciscans
buko ko nakakasa. Bakit may additional pa ba tayo?
Oo.
Kala ko yung additional ngayon.
Ay. Strawberry Festival dito kaya may night market sila dyan. Sayang hindi makita.
Ayan yung kamay mo, yung ulo mo.